Welcome everyone to the new Hideout 29 DSF, the newest addition to the Hideout lineup for the fall of 2018. We started with the industry-leading double bunk over double bunk setup, which has been very popular in a number of segments in the industry. We added a built-in ladder for kids and grandkids to make the ease of use much easier for the consumer. What we've done with this floor plan is improved upon many aspects from customer feedback through the years. First of all is featuring our very large and residential kitchen, one of the best in the travel trailer category. You've got incredible storage above and below, ample countertop space with a built-in sink countertop extension, lighted backsplash, and the new Furrion stove. We moved to the stainless steel refrigerator that is a new upgrade for the 2018 open house. And then moving over to our entertainment center, which features an industry-first 50-inch television and fireplace both built in. Not only does this unit have incredible storage, but hidden behind this TV and entertainment center is a built-in walk-in pantry that is the first in its class in a travel trailer. A truly unshoppable feature in this price point and category. As we transition into the slide out, you have a slide out with two windows on both sides of the end of the slide. You have two 60 by 29 windows with decorative ceiling treatment and a folding dinette table for those long trips on the go. As we go into the bedroom, a couple things I wanted to point out to you. First of all, you have dual wardrobes on both sides of the bed, shoe storage underneath, and hanging rods on both sides. One of the features we added to this unit that none of the other floor plans have in this category is a full-size floor-to-ceiling closet. You've got storage below and then 4 different shelves for those items for longer trips. Welcome to the outside of the new 29 DSF Hideout. A couple key features we wanted to highlight, which is the outside kitchen that comes standard on every floor plan that we build. Secondly, the MoRide step, which is great for ease of use, for folding in and folding out and breaking down quickly after the nice long camping weekend. As we transition over to the outside storage door, most customers would anticipate that this would be a storage door to put a lawn chair or some extra things outside. Not in this floor plan. The new Hideout comes with a standard outside fireplace, the first in its category and an industry exclusive feature. Thanks for watching. For more information on this model or other Hideout models, visit KeystoneRV.com.